Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I am back with another little kit for today. And this one is very, very close to my heart because these are all vintage linens, laces, wedding dress, and just beautiful things. And I've been gathering these things for years, and I'm trying to get myself organized more in my craft room. And I thought, I just want to make this kit because it just has such beautiful pieces in it, and I know you guys are going to love it. So a lot of these pieces are from France, and a lot of them are from England. So let me share with you. I'm calling this my Paris Flea Market Finds kit because it kind of reminds me of, like, who hasn't dreamt about going to the Paris flea markets and finding all those beautiful laces and fabrics. So that's what this kit is all about. So let me share with you. So we're starting off with a very small piece of lace, but it's so beautiful. Look at this. So pretty. Some of these trims are handmade. This one is handmade, and you can tell it's handmade because there is the knot right there where the person finished it off. So this was done probably the needle method, I'm guessing. This one was from France. So it's absolutely beautiful. This is another French lace, and I believe this one is called Chantilly. I think that's what that one is called. And it's so incredibly fine. It's just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So there's that. And then this is probably from the 40s, I'm guessing. This is not a newer trim. It is vintage for sure. So I'm guessing this one's from the 40s, but it's a gorgeous little gathered trim. This is another handmade piece, and I almost didn't part with this one because I love it so much. It's just beautiful. Look at this. This is vintage crochet, and this one was from England. Isn't that just, I mean, the workmanship, you just don't see it nowadays. I mean, these look like little bows up here. So beautiful. This is another handmade piece. Beautiful crochet work again. Absolutely gorgeous. There we go. So pretty. And then we have this beautiful piece with the gorgeous lace on the bottom as well. Crochet trim on the top and this beautiful trim on the bottom. And then this lace is from England, and I'm going to tell you, well, actually, I'm going to hold that one aside for a minute, and I'll tell you why in a minute. And then we have this trim. This is another French trim. Look at all those little flowers. Nice big piece. You know, and I really wanted to share these special laces and trims with you guys. And there is doilies, and I'm going to do those in a minute. Oh, I might as well do them now. So, a little guy here. They're kind of all mixed up. Did I leave my autofocus on? Yes, I did. Darn me. There we go. This one here is from Israel. I had bought this quite a while ago, and there was a woman who lived in Israel, and she had crocheted a larger big blanket piece, so this piece is from Israel. Just to let you know where everything is from. This gorgeous vintage. This is so fine. This is a very old pineapple piece, also hand done, and it's in a beautiful, it looks like it's been coffee dyed already, but it hasn't. It's in a beautiful ecru color. I mean, these are great for your journals, for lace books. This is part of a very, very old wedding dress that I bought many years ago. And there is the satin on the back. It's silk satin, and the lace work was all hand done because you can see all the stitches, and it's the most delicate and beautiful little lace. It's just beautiful. I mean, you know, these are like little treasures to me, having pieces like this. This is from a Victorian like chair cover, and this is bobbin lace. It's very, very old. And I had to include some tatting, so I went into my little tatting hoard, and this is very old and very delicate tatting. And again, it's in that beautiful vintage ecru color. Absolutely beautiful. And then this is Irish lace because, hello, see the shamrock? This was part of a larger table runner. I did keep some for myself, but a lot of it is very worn and tattered, as you see, which to me just makes it even more beautiful and tells you the story of the textile. I love the tattered look. This is a beautiful, and this is really heavy crochet work. When you get this, you'll feel how heavy this piece is. It's really, really thick, but a nice big piece of this beautiful pineapple work. And then this is off another very, very old table runner. Sorry for the loose threads. And then you have this piece here, and this is all hand done. Gorgeous. This is very old as well, and this is part of the underskirt to this wedding dress. So this was the bodice piece, and then this was the underskirt, the slip part. And I have shared this in kits before, and it has the most interesting, I don't even know how they did it, but this is all like melted into it or something. I don't even know how they got that on there, or I just don't even know. I couldn't even hazard a guess. But it's so delicate and beautiful. Very, very old. The dress was from the 20s. I know that. So, you know, that's 100 years old. And this was part of the underskirt, and it's got the little fringe piece here, and then you've got a nice big piece to work with. Beautiful. It's just gorgeous. Okay, so then getting back to this lace, I want to tell you, I shared in my mirror kit some lace that was from England, and that lace was made by a company in England who did the lace for Princess Diana and Kate Middleton, who married Prince William. They did the lace for their wedding dresses. They are the oldest lace company in England. They are the 9th generation people in the family that have run the factory, and this is their lace. And it's absolutely beautiful. These patterns are from the 1760s or 1770s. When they first started, they're still reproducing the exact same patterns from back then. So it's a real treat to be able to share these laces with you. And I am going to be stocking these soon in my Etsy. But I am sharing what I have from my own personal stash with you guys in this kit. So there's this one, and there's a beautiful nice long piece for you here. And then this I love. This is called Clooney lace. And you just won't find these in any particular store. And the reason I loved this one, because to me, the pattern here, it looks like it has a K in it. Right there. So that's why I love that one. But it's beautiful. It's so pretty. It's such good quality. Beautiful, beautiful laces. So that one is theirs, as is this one, which just almost looks like fleur-de-lis here. Well, it does look like a fleur-de-lis at the top half and the bottom half. Absolutely gorgeous. And look at this fine workmanship at the top here. It's so beautiful. So these are nice large pieces for you. And this one has a very delicate little organza on either side of it. So I hope that the camera is picking that up. Hopefully. I just want you to be able to see the pattern. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful. And then a nice big piece of this lace. And again, this is all from the same company that made the lace for Princess Diana and Kate Middleton's wedding gown. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces from that company in here. So that's a real special treat that for you guys, so I hope you'll enjoy working with. And I'm also including some white satin from a wedding dress as well, a vintage wedding dress, because who can't use that to make flowers or pockets or anything. So there's a nice big piece. And then last but not least, each of the kits is going to get one of these big beautiful banner pieces. You could decorate this, you could add it to other banner pieces, like just absolutely gorgeous. All, again, all vintage. So nothing in here is new. Everything is vintage. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14 tatting, this beautiful piece 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 pieces. And if you're at the Paris flea market, what's the point of having lace if you don't have bling? So I'm including in each of the kit one of these beautiful pearl and rhinestone drop pieces. So every kit's going to get one of these as well. So that is my Paris flea market kit. And there's, like I said, there's 24 pieces. Nothing new, all vintage, all very old, all very, very special pieces that I hope that you like. You can email me down below. And the kit is $15. So very good deal. Great way to build up your vintage lace stash. So I hope that you guys like this kit. You can email me down below. My email's down below, or you can leave a comment on the video if you're interested. I have 4 ready to go right now. If I sell more than 4, then I can make other kits, but there may be some slight variations to them. But I have 4 exactly like this at the moment already cut. So thanks, guys. Bye.